Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control, so if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
When you upgrade your Wi-Fi to Eero, something amazing happens. Everything just works, letting you connect with what's important. That's why we made Eero, the world's best reviewed home Wi-Fi system. Eeros replace your router, forming a wireless mesh network that blankets your home in fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Eero is simple to set up and can expand to cover any home, meaning all your connected devices work the way you want them to, wherever you want them to.
Yep, still at the office. No, I'm at the other branch.
With Eero, you'll have no more dead spots, slow spots, drop-offs, or buffering. It's Wi-Fi so good, you'll never think about Wi-Fi again.
is a new class of smart Wi-Fi routers with an app that makes it easy for you to protect your kids and your privacy online, as well as manage your entire network. Some call it an intelligent network firewall. We call it sensible protection for your kids, your webcams, and all the smart devices invading our homes. The GRYPHON Connect app is your remote control for your GRYPHON smart Wi-Fi router. This is an overview of some of the things it can do. When you open up the app, the first thing you'll see is the main dashboard. You have the main pause button that will pause all managed devices and TV and entertainment devices. All devices under Things will still be connected to the internet. Under Pause is the status bar. This will show you if a user profile or device is paused, on homework time, or on bedtime. You can click on the status to go to the user displayed. Below that are all the devices on your network, categorized by managed, unmanaged, things like connected thermostat or light bulbs, and TV and entertainment devices like connected TVs and other things. Click on this to see a list of all the devices and the device details where you can change the device's name and its type or assigned user. That's the main dashboard. On the bottom are the navigation tabs for users, notifications, network, and settings. You may not want the same bedtime for your toddler as you would for your teen. Users is where you will create different user profiles for each family member. Once users' profiles are created, assign the laptops, iPads, and other devices they use to connect to the internet to that user profile so they all follow the same rules. You can watch our other tutorial on how to set up user profiles. Notification is where you will get notification messages for blocked sites or bedtime extension requests from your child or your adult child. You will go here to approve or block. Virus alerts or vulnerability warnings will also be shown here, as well as software update alerts. If you get one of those, it means that GRYPHON is working to protect your entire network. Now let's go to the Network tab. This is where we show you your network health. You will see a throughput meter. This is how fast your GRYPHON is connected to the network, not how fast your laptop is, since there could be other factors like your teen playing on his Xbox. You can also see all the active devices connected on GRYPHON, or if you have a mesh repeater, see which device is connected to each GRYPHON. The last feature on Network is probably the coolest. You can prioritize a device on the network for those times where you really need to binge watch Stranger Things. Lastly is the Settings tab. This is where you can see or change your Wi-Fi network name and password, change the malware protection level, and add another repeater. This is also where you can contact customer support if you're having any trouble or just have a question or suggestion for us. We love to hear from you. That's it for the GRYPHON app overview.
Today's always-online household puts a lot of demand on your Wi-Fi network. You need fast, reliable coverage all over your home. Proven to stream up to 20 simultaneous 4K videos, the MaxStream AC5400 is an incredibly powerful router. With traditional routers, your devices have to wait in line. The AC5400 with next-generation AC technology is the first router to serve 8 devices at once. The only tri-band router with 8 gigabit LAN ports and 8 adjustable antennas to get the best reach for your entire home. The MaxStream AC5400 multi-user MIMO gigabit router, the no-compromise solution for reliable home Wi-Fi.
Welcome to TP Link Speedway for the highly anticipated TP Link Cup. Let's take a look at our 2 contestants who will be tasked with delivering large HD video files to the finish line. Now in the inside lane, we see our defending champion, the N300. He's equipped with 2x2 MIMO intelligent antenna technology and won his title by reaching speeds of 300 megabits per second. In the outside lane is this year's newcomer, the N450. He looks pretty confident due to his processor, which is equipped with 3x3 MIMO technology and has the power to propel him to astounding speeds of up to 450 megabits per second. And they're off. The N300 starts with a slim lead. The N450 is looking to make his move. It looks like he's trying to take the inside. Oh, the N300 is not making it easy for him today. They're approaching a final turn, and it all comes down to this. What a move by N450. He passes on the outside. His customized Qualcomm CPU is really making a difference. The 3x3 MIMO technology is allowing him to transfer 3 separate data streams at the same time and reach speeds of up to 450 megabits in the final lap. And the N450 blazes to the finish line, easily delivering his HD video cargo before the N300 even knows what happened. After this thrilling race, the N450 finally claimed the TP Link Cup. Now it looks like our champion is enjoying his well-deserved reward. Introducing the N450, simply faster.